everyone, it's Saucy, the Towboat Chef. As you noticed from my previous video, which I'm going to link up to my left, link up here, when I made the Towboat turtles, that I said I was going to be making some no-bake cookies. So I'm going to post the ingredients, and then I'm going to show you how we put it all together. I'll be right back. Let's have some fun with this one. Okay, as you can see, these ingredients right here will go in the pot first, bring it to a boil, let it boil a minute and a half, and then you're going to be adding this ingredient, which is the peanut butter, crunched peanut butter, the 3 cups of oats, and the vanilla. So let's get this party started over there to the stove. Be right back. Okay, I've got this medium-high heat. Let's see how it goes. I can't get it to boil. I'm going to have to turn it up. But these burners here, they run kind of hot. Mix this all together. And the reason why I cut up the butter, so it don't take forever to melt. You want to keep stirring because there's a lot of sugar. You don't want it to burn. You want it to help caramelize, but not burn it. So I'll bring it back to you when it gets to that boiling stage and show you what I'm talking about. So be right back. Okay, as you can see, hopefully you can see it's starting to get to that boiling stage. Just starting. Once it gets to a good boil, it's a minute and a half from there. Do not overcook it. You'll either get too hard or too runny if you overcook it. All right, we're starting a minute and a half right now. And keep it stirring so it don't burn. Now I'm going to keep going with you on this. This is real easy. I've been making regular cookies for the guys and they keep saying, how about some no-bakes? And I guess, okay, remind me. So next time I make cookies, they go, what happened to the no-bakes? I said, you didn't remind me. I'm old, okay? I got that CRS, can't remember shit. I'm getting close to a minute here. Alright, we're at the 1 minute mark. Now I really gotta watch. When I take this off the stove, I'm going to take it right over to the counter here, set up the camera real fast, and then show you, because you gotta add in the other stuff while it's still hot. 10 more, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Take it off the heat. I'll be right back, folks. Okay, I got this, but I'm only gonna do that for the peanut butter because I'm gonna, whoops, just kick this thing. Hopefully it's still recording. I get that mixed in first. Enough, because it'll still continue to melt. Put it in the middle of, yeah, I added a little extra. And now, with the oats though, I switched to my spatula. Make sure you use quick oats for this recipe. Oh, that's gonna look good. That already looks good. It stays hot for quite a while. All right, let me set up my other pan so I can start spooning it out. Be right back. Alright, I use this cookie scoop one little bit at a time. And I'm going to set some music to it. So enjoy the music. Here we go. There we go. I'll be right back when they're completely cooled off, and I will try one of these for you. So be back in a few for you, probably a couple hours for me. Here we go, people. This is a good looking no-bake cookie. And you know I'm only going to try one, right? Just one. So here we go. Ooh, what was that sound? Did y'all hear that? I know we're taking on fuel, so I don't know what that big bump was. A log must have hit us. Alright, so start that over again. Here we go. Oh, that's good. Look at the inside of that. Can you see all that goodness? That's really sweet too, with all that sugar in it. I can only eat one. That's going to spike me up good. Alright people, I want to thank you for watching this video. Hold on. I gotta get this clean out of my mouth. Oatmeal takes a while to chew. If you're new to my channel, click on that subscribe button. If you want to see more of these videos, sometimes I get a little crazy. Just a little. Just click on that notification button. No, bell. If you like the video, click that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. To all my other subscribers, you all have been wonderful. I love you to death. And thank you for supporting me during this rough time being on the boat. Until then, I'll either see you upriver, downriver, or down the road. You all have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.